It's your boy Crypto Millie, and we're going to be talking about Quantum Leap, family. Full transparency, this is sponsored content. Salute for the Quantum Leap team for sponsoring this video. We're going to be talking about Quantum Leap. It is a Web3 game. You're looking at some of the graphics right now, family. And remember, this is a full review, not financial advice. Always do your research and make sure you do your due diligence. Connect to the right websites. And also, family, never invest what you are afraid to lose. I will be sure to leave the links in the description. Also, feel free to be completely honest and let these guys know on this full review how you feel about the Quantum Leap pre-sale. I always love when the community here is completely honest. It gives the developers of some of these new projects and pre-sales something to work towards as far as, you know, building a good project. Right there, we just looked at the Quantum Leap video, and you see here Quantum Leap is a parkour win to earn. So, you know, a lot of people enter parkour, you know what I mean? That's a different narrative. Quantum Leap is a futuristic, fast-paced win to earn, free-to-play, skill-driven first-person sci-fi parkour game with Web3 integrations and a free-to-earn mechanics. Parkour your way into financial freedom. AAA-style graphics. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the graphics so far. Beta version published, self-sustainable, dual-layer economy, multi-chain experience. Visit the ICO page. All right, and I did visit the website here for Quantum Leap, and you can see everything as far as the description, pre-sale address known, token address, total supply, everything is in the pre-sale description here. But I did take a look at the website, and yeah, I think there's a lot to work on as far as the website, just to be completely honest, especially when a pre-sale with gaming projects. I feel like you always have to work to stand out. Also, I've tried multiple times to connect to the game on the Play Now, but I haven't been able to connect. I know that they're saying that this is the beta version of the game. I haven't yet been able to connect. It just sends me to the loading page there. So that's also something to take a look at as we continue to review this project. Now, gaming projects, man, I think gaming projects do have they do have a place in the crypto ecosystem when you think of the narrative and how it can bring millions of people inside the ecosystem as far as cryptocurrency. We're talking about mass adoption. We did see here that they were able to partner with Arena Games. So this is one of the partnerships for the Leap Quantum Leap project here. And as you can see, Arena Games, they're a platform that has multi games, you know, plenty of games. So you'll be able to play any game that you want to play, Web3 game, on their multi-chain ecosystem. And I guess they'll be listing the Quantum Leap game. Let's see if it loaded here. Nope, it didn't load yet. So that's something I think they got to work out. I know it's the beta stage, but if you want to market your game and you say, you know, people can play now, that's something that, you know, needs to be accessible on the website here. I do like that the token supply is, you know, is pretty limited when you think about 100 million tokens. You know, that's a project that can actually do well. Looking at what they were already able to pretty much accumulate so far, they've accumulated 11.9 ETH, family, and you can see the initial market cap estimate right now is $33,688. So very, very, very small initial market cap. Okay, very small. I want you guys to understand this is super high risk project, and all it takes is a little bit of liquidity to pump this thing up, and all it takes is a little bit of liquidity, selling pressure to dump this thing off. So always keep that in mind when you see these projects that have such a small initial market cap. Now, if they do get the blessings of the entire cryptocurrency, and let's say this is something that people want to take interest in as far as the game, you know, I feel like this project, if it's a fun game, if it's something people want to actually play, it could, you know, possibly do well. So far, they have 36 contributors. They also offer an affiliate program. And taking a look at the Twitter page, I think they're doing a giveaway here. Actually, let's check it out together. So they got a TikTok contest. It's less than 24 hours remaining until the pre-sale ends. So the pre-sale does end, family, in about 16 hours. So keep that in mind. It's only one more day to get in if there's something that you're interested in. It's also been one of the top trending projects on Presale. We have here a 10%, 10 Ethereum filled, 50% bonus. Just got sold out, so they're giving away bonuses. The more ETH gets filled on the pre-sale. They're also doing giveaways here of USDT. So giving back to the community. And I did check out the AMA. The AMA was about 11 minutes. It didn't get as much traction as I thought it would. I was expecting a lot more people to ask questions. Only 30 people tuned in. So I would say they need to work on their marketing. They need to get themselves out there. In fact, that's what they're doing now by working on their marketing. The guy who was actually hosting the AMA seemed like he was passionate about the project. I couldn't really get a sense of whether, you know, this is a project that plans on being here long term. You got to think about gaming projects. You know, they have the potential to flop, so you always want to keep that in mind. But he was very passionate. He wasn't really worried about if anybody tuned in. He kind of stuck to his to what his presentation, despite not having a lot of people ask a lot of questions. But it's always good where you got these founders and these devs willing to come out and speak on a project. You know, I liked, you know, I like that he was passionate about his project. Would have wanted to see more people, and hopefully more people can learn about this project here with this video. But make sure you do your due diligence and do your research here. So still active on Twitter. I just would like to see a little bit more activity on Twitter. Maybe these TikTok contests help out the marketing that they're putting out there, and also the partnership that we've seen here with this project Arena game. So I'm gonna take another look at the game. I'm gonna play the trailer. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this full review of Quantum Leap. I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description. Seems that let's see if we hit the audit here. We can view the audit. Quantum Leap latest audit 6/12/2023. So make sure you always check out the audit. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Pretty, you know, not bad as far as the contract. They also have the KYC that you can also view right here. So they're taking the necessary steps to make this a cryptocurrency here as official as possible. So again, I'll leave the links in the description. I'll play the trailer one more time for you guys just to give you a sense of what's going on in with this project, and y'all just be completely honest in the comments. I mean, is a parkour game something that you think people will be interested in? I'm really not sure about the parkour market because I've seen a lot of people doing it. In fact, I think it's very, very popular when you watch the videos on TikTok and the videos on YouTube. But I'm not sure the interest level when we think about games. So for the people who do parkour or like watching parkour, let me know in the comments if this is something that you think people will be interested in. Again, they was able to raise so far 11.5 ETH. Very, very, very small market cap, y'all. Micro cap, okay? So be responsible. This is not Millie telling you to go buy nothing, not shilling anything. Just a full review. Me and being completely honest. And as far as the Quantum Leap team, we need to see a little bit more marketing, a little bit more understanding of the roadmap, what you guys working on doing, and of course a working game on the website. So I appreciate you guys for sponsoring the video. Everybody feel free to leave a comment. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.